Okay, this is video 3 of the second lesson. So I said on the last video I was talking about choosing a description to try and illustrate. This one I'm going to try and use "you must tie your hair back." So I'm going to start with an illustration on here. We're going to do a front view like we did in the first lesson. And then we want to try and draw some hair on the side. Maybe they could have pigtails on here. So it's how do I kind of get the message across that I would like this bit to be tied. So I could use an arrow to indicate that area on the side. I might then try a side view. So we could draw a side profile of the user. There we go. And this could be a hair. There we go. Eye from the side. And then we could kind of draw maybe a bow in this one and the hair coming back the side. I'll have to decide upon the category. Because it's an instruction to say you must do this, it's going to have to be a mandatory sign, which would have to be a circle, and this would have to be blue on the inside, and the image would have to be white on there. If another example I could try and illustrate, I might draw two images. This time we could have a hair all over the place. There we go, all down. And then we could put a cross through it, but then you can't see the image, so I could draw that again, but this time we could have a hair loose, and maybe she's unhappy because you've got to tie her hair back, something like that. And we could have a cross next to her, and then if we then draw one to the right of it, and then this time on this one we could have the hair in pigtails, and we could use a positive symbol of a tick to illustrate that this is what we want to try and achieve. And in this case, she could be happy. So I'm not showing what could happen of the consequences if she got her hair trapped in a machine. I'm just trying to illustrate that we would like the hair to be tied back. Okay.